In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fulfill orders on Shopify with a step-by-step tutorial. Whether you're new to e-commerce or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can smoothly manage your Shopify orders from start to finish. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify account and navigate to the home page of your store. This is your control center. From here, you can manage everything you need for your business. On the left-hand menu, you'll see an option labeled Orders. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the Orders page where you can view all orders that have been placed in your store. Here you can see details such as order numbers, customer names, and the status of each order. Now look for the specific order you want to fulfill. For today's purposes, we'll use the example order number 1004. Locate this order in the list and click on it. This will bring up all the details related to this particular order, including the items purchased, the shipping address, and any notes the customer may have included. Once you're on the order page, you'll see an option to Fulfill Item. Click on this to begin the process of fulfilling the order. Selecting Fulfill Item prepares you to pack and ship the product to your customer. At this stage, double-check the shipping address and the items to ensure everything is correct. Accuracy is crucial, as shipping errors can lead to customer dissatisfaction and additional costs. After ensuring everything is correct, you'll click on Fulfill Item again. This is the final step in the fulfillment process through Shopify. By confirming this action, you are committing to send the product to the customer. Shopify provides an option to include a tracking number, which is highly recommended. Entering this information allows your customers to track their package and gives them peace of mind about their purchase. And there you have it. You've successfully fulfilled an order on Shopify. Keep in mind that this process is efficient and straightforward, but accuracy is key. Always double-check order details before confirming fulfillment and make use of all tracking options available. This not only enhances your customer service, but also streamlines your business operations. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Shopify's Help Center and online community are great resources to explore. That wraps up our tutorial on how to fulfill orders on Shopify. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on using Shopify to its fullest potential.